Let's make some basil seed pudding. And I know you're probably already thinking, girl, what the hell is that? Well, these seeds typically come from the sweet basil plant, and they possess a great deal of benefits that I'm not going to bore you with, but I will put in the caption. First, we're going to add our basil seeds to a glass bowl. Then we're going to submerge them with some fresh coconut milk. The seeds will soak up the milk and expand in size over time. I sweetened mine with some agave, added a pinch of sea salt, and a couple dashes of Ceylon cinnamon. Mix that up really well and allow that to soak for at least an hour in the fridge, but I did mine overnight. Afterwards, it should look a little something like this. I layered my pudding with the basil seeds, a strawberry sauce I made from blended fresh strawberries, key lime juice, and agave, and more fresh strawberries. And boom, there you have it, your very own strawberry basil seed pudding. This would be a great option for a light breakfast or for a guilt-free dessert. Full recipe will be in the caption. Thanks for watching. Bye.